To access your footer, navigate to the bottom of your document and double-click with the left mouse button. You can see here that our footer has been enabled. You can type in any text that you want into the footer, and you can also style this as you would normally with text. So we can go to the home bar and then change the font, size, color, etc. To exit out of the footer menu, if you navigate to anywhere else on your page and double-click with the left mouse button, this will close the footer. You can also insert a footer by going up to the top menu and pressing Insert, and then navigating over to where it says Footer. Click on this and it will give you a number of different templates that you can use for your footer. If you click on one, it will insert it into your document. To personalize this, you just enter in your own text into the different fields within the template. To access more options for the footer, if you navigate up to the top menu and press Footer, we can see here there are different templates also. You can also edit or remove your footer here by clicking on the options. And double click outside of the footer to exit the footer menu. You can also access the footer options by going to your top toolbar and pressing Insert and then navigating over to Footer. Here again we can access the templates or we can edit the footer by clicking on that option. We can also close the footer by clicking on the Close Header and Footer button.